Hello children, welcome to English class. How are you all? I think all are safe at home. Children, we are in block 5, silly poem. Lesson number 4, writing a silly poem. Okay children? And keywords are stanza, title. What is the meaning of stanza children? Stanza means it comes in the poem. The lines which are given in the poems which rhyme together is called stanza children. In different poems they'll have different stanzas. It can be 2 lines, it can be 3 lines, it can be 4 lines. Okay now children, this is the meaning of stanza. Today I am going to explain you writing a silly poem. For writing a poem, what do we need? We need first rhyming words. Okay children? Yes children, now cake, bake, make, lake, shake, take. All these are what children? All these are rhyming words. All these are what children? All these are rhyming words. Yes, we are having these rhyming words. With this we have to now make a poem. Okay children, it's my birthday. Okay children, on my birthday I make a cake. My mother's bake. My brother make shake. I will take it to the lake. Like that we have to make the poem children. I will tell you how to make the poem. But first, making the poem we need rhyming words. With the help of rhyming words we can make the sentence. Okay children? And poems, the rhymes are shorter children than stories. If you compare a poem and a story, poems are shorter than stories and they will be having stanzas and they will have a rhythm. Poems will have a rhythm and they are sung like a song also. Yeah children, I have told you the rhyming words make, shake, bake, cake, take, lake. I have used those rhyming words in this poem children, in this rhyme. Before that, I will just remind you of our S2 children. Same sound, different spelling. This we have already completed. In this one bit was there children. Make 3 sentences each having a pair of rhyming words. Yes, we have already learned this. I lost my blue shoe in the zoo. Like this we have made sentences for children. With the help of rhyming words, then you have to make a sentence like this, or if not, it is not rhyming pair also, just it has to rhyme. Okay my children? Come on. Now let us see the poem. On my birthday, I play with clay. My brother makes shake. My mother bakes a cake. My father takes us to the lake. Okay children? These are the rhyming words. Here we have at the end of the line of the poem we have rhyming words. Day and clay are rhyming. Yes. Shake, cake are rhyming. Yes. Lake is also rhyming with cake and shake. Okay children. So the third line, fourth line and fifth line we have used rhyming pair. In this line we have two rhyming words. Okay children. Like that also you can write, or if not one rhyming word like this also you can write and make a poem. But for making a poem, first you need a topic. For example, it can be animals, fruits, cake, birthday, anything. You have to take the topic, you have to write rhyming words for that, and then you have to make sentences like this and make a short poem. Yes children, after writing the poem, we need a title. Yes, title for the poem. We need a heading, we need a title. Now it is about birthday no children. So you can write the title My Birthday. Okay children, or anything else we can write. Brother's shake also you can write as title. Fine. And mother's cake also you can write as title. Yes children, with the help of this poem we can write title. Yes. So title of the poem is very important. Heading that is. Okay, with that we can know what is the poem about. My birthday.
Children, now all of you all open your workbook. Yes children, page number 34. Write here date children. S4 is writing a silly poem. First bit is write 6 rhyming words you will use for your poem. Yes children, what I have shown you, those rhyming words only we will write here. Okay children? So let us write C-A-K-E, cake. S-H-A-K-E, shake. M-A-K-E, make. T-A-K-E, take. L-A-K-E, lake. B-A-K-E, bake. Okay children, these are our 6 rhyming words. Cake, shake, make, take, lake, bake. Second bit children, use these rhyming words to write your own poem. Yes children, let us write a poem now. Yes children, let us start writing our poem. On my M-Y, my, on my birthday. On my birthday, I play. I play with clay. My brother, my brother makes shake. Next line, my mother bakes a cake. My father takes us to the lake. Yes children, this is our poem. With the help of these rhyming words, we made this poem. Yes children? Yes, poems are shorter than stories children. Poems don't have beginning part, middle part or end part like story. Poems will be short. They will have rhyming words. They will have a rhythm. They can be sung as a song. Okay, this is our poem which we wrote in the explanation part and in the workbook also. Okay children, now let us take out our classwork. Now children, all of you all open your classwork book. Yes, yesterday we wrote question number 1 and 2. Today we are writing question number 3. What is question number 3 children? How is a poem different from a story? How is a poem different from a story? So answer, a poem has shorter lines than a story. A poem has rhyming words. Okay children, a poem has shorter lines than a story. A poem has rhyming words. Write neatly in your classwork book. After writing, what you will do children? Here take a scale and a pencil, put a red line like this. Put a red line here. Yes children, like this you have to take a scale and pencil. After this I am not going to give you any question answers. We have done with a block 5 children. Okay, like this you put a line. Okay children, we have done with this. We have done with the block 5. Write your workbook neatly. Write your classwork neatly children. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye children, take care.